Beso? Can I get beso? Hello, friends. We back for another Chainsaw Man reaction. So, I'm gonna be doing a review. Let's say a review of the of Chainsaw Man. So at this point in the series, I've already finished season 1. I hear season 2 is somewhere 2025, but I don't know. So we're going to be checking out the opening and the endings to see what we can pick off or pick up from like the visuals and whatnot, right? We'll comment about the music too because I know a lot of people like it when I comment on the music, right? Even though a lot of times I'm not impressed by the music, right? I was looking at the first opening reaction I did for this, and I was very surprised that I got so many dislikes on that video. In all fairness, I think I was a little harsh on One Piece when I did the opening reaction for that, but at least the community there respected my opinion, and I got about, let's say, 70% like to dislike. But this one was like, I think I have like 42% like to dislike ratio. So the community was really I guess offended because the caption I put there was like a Jujutsu Kaisen clone. And the only reason I put that there was because just based on the opening itself, the cinematography was identical, right? It was so identical. Basically, the same director lacked creativity and he shot it the same way he did JJK. And I thought, people are just sensitive and all that, and maybe I'm wrong. But as I watched the series, it became obvious to me that it was a clone, guys. The people who are saying it's not are really coping with that. I don't know why. JJK is a really good show. I don't know why they don't like that. But when we say clone, we don't mean exactly the same. Just like people say Yu Yu Hakusho and Hunter x Hunter is a clone. I can see what they mean by that. It's not. It's just the main character is kinda happy-go-lucky. The tall guy in the party is like goofy, right? They have a character that's really small and edgy, right? And then their fourth man is like this androgynous figure, like you don't know if it's male or female. So it is somewhat of a copy in that sense, but as far as like the plot goes, nowhere close, right? Nowhere close. Now, the reason I say this is if we compare the two, right? Both characters are like troubled youths in a way, or let's not even say that. Both characters encounter the strongest character in their series, right? Gojo and Makima. Both characters have an ability that is, there's something inside of them that gives them power, right? So, Sukuna and Fujita, right? Both of them are enrolled in some kind of organization that deals with curses/demons. This is really specific stuff, guys. They're part of a 3-man party, fairly, right? With another boy and another girl. Aki is very similar to Megumi. Power is a little more crazy than Nobara. So, I don't know what to say, guys. If that's not a clone, I don't know what is, right? But I digress. Without further ado, let's continue with the reaction. Or the review. So this is what I was saying. This camera shot, JJK had like the exact same shot here. Okay. So right here we see like, actually I don't remember this character. I don't remember this. Or is this one of the devils that was used in the invasion? Like this guy, right? We don't really see this guy with these characters, so this is like some kind of misdirection. Okay, so yeah, we do see the angel there. And I will say the music, I did not like the music, but it has grown on me a bit. Delay, delay, delagirista, delay, delay, delagirista. Especially if you do like the power who's this? Denji dance at the end, right? So like this, this is like odd to me how they're showing us like unrelated scenes, like the movie, they went drinking but they're doing bowling here, so we're getting a lot of misdirection. And then the power, right? And this is like nice foreshadowing because she is kind of a slave to Makima. Like he is gonna take out the gun devil just to get some action with, you know, what people are saying is the best girl of the series. Oh, we see Snake, right? We see the snake there. Yeah, and the snake does the eating, right? And you have like the blade devil here. What was those bullets? I don't remember. And this is the scene, right? The groping scene where she offers like the deal to Denji. Oh, was that like a dream sequence? He was dreaming of getting with Makima, and then she kind of woke him up. What was this? What is this? Was that the fox? Oh no, the fox is like this. What was this? Oh, was that the fight with the what devil was it? The not the bat one, but like the monster. I forgot which one. Oh yeah, power with the hammer. What's with the ball? I don't remember the ball. The ball and chain. Yeah, there's a lot of misdirection here. Oh, and the forbidden door, you know, at the end of the series or at the end of the season, Pujita tells him, whatever you do, don't open that door. Because maybe that's like the secret, right? That's like 100% chainsaw man, right? Like it is the lie. Oh, we see the future devil there dancing, right? Oh, we see what is that? The ghost, right? And then you have here the blade, and dude, you have like blade swinging here. Like this was a nice thing to do. Okay, I will give, like, I give criticism, guys, but I also give praise. Okay, so I am very fair in my reaction, in my comments. This was very nice to show because of the angle, right? Because you can't see this blade here. Like if he was side view, you would see like, oh, he's like Denji. He also has a blade on his head or some shit. But because it's in a front view, you're not aware of such a character, like another Denji. Yeah. Hello, friends. If you're enjoying the content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to never miss out on dashing content. And now, back to the video. So solid opening, right? All things considered, solid opening. I will say there's probably one of the few openings that had the most misdirections. Like how many scenes did they show that weren't really part of the show, right? Like I know there was some Naruto openings where this guy fought this guy, but if you watch the show, they never fought, right? They were in the same place, but they never had an interaction. That's kind of what they did here, but like way more.
Dear Kitten, since I have hissed at you the customary...
Okay. So this is ending one. So it looks like they're getting scenes from the first episode. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I remember that. Oh, and then Makima's entering. That makes so much sense. Woo, woo, woo. Interesting. You show the tag, right? Okay, so we will say there. I had a friend that was asking me about it. I said, "Yo, I just did the Chainsaw Man reactions for like the openings and the endings," and I said something very interesting. No show has ever done this. They did a different ending per episode. That is unreal. Like, why? Right? Why so much emphasis? Like, I mean, it's easier to do if you have only like 13 episodes. Like, imagine if it was like 20, 30, right? Like, that's so much production time just for an ending. But even then, you realize why, because they just took like clips from the actual episode to make like a summary of some sorts, right? Is episode 2 where we get introduced to Power? I think we just get introduced to Aki. I think Power might be episode 3. So I guess he could be reflecting on... Oh wait, okay, yeah, so we do see Power here. So I think Denji is just reflecting on his life before meeting Makima, right? Ooh, Aki, the way Aki like unsheathed the sword, it's like he's asking the sword, how much time do I have left, right? Okay, so Power is already here. I wanna ask you guys something, okay? Do you guys trust Makima? Like, as you were watching the show, like for the first season, like, I think the consensus of people is they want to trust Makima, but at the back of their head, you know, it's like, I don't know if I should, but what option do I have, right? That's kind of what you're getting here. Like, you want to trust her, but I guess that's like a minor difference between her and Gojo. Because Gojo, you know you can trust Gojo. You don't get that feeling that maybe, you know, like he's less mysterious. Put it that way. So we got episode 3. Oh. Yeah, this is such a difference, right? Oh, oh my god, what is going on? Okay. I'll tell you guys something about this one. Oh my god, I hope I can make it short. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so I was gonna say, I think this was the episode where Power sold Denji to the Bat Devil, right? And they had like the conflict there. But the thing I was gonna say is, you see that moment there, the opening was very Dan, right? Like the opening of Dan. It's like it's like chaotic in the first half, and then you have the Haina, blah 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 blah. So they kind of did that the same, like when you saw Makima, like the chaos like stopped, and then you got a more structured ending to the song. So I just wanna point that out. I kind of remember this one, but I don't know what to make of it. Is this just the whole we're living with power, and power's kinda out of control, you know, doing too much, right? Yeah, that's kinda what it looks like, as far as like the takeaway goes. Also, the singer sounds like the singer of the opening. Ooh. Oh! This is the Eternity Devil episode. So this is what like she was doing while she was there for like the 2 days, right? Just trying on clothes of the other people in the building. And then the toilet scene, right? Like she offered the boob touch to Denji. Yeah. So what do we do here? Oh yeah, the horse. Oh, actually, this might be it, right? This might be it, right? Because you see like the repetition, right? But this is what I was saying, like the horses. I think this is just like a representation of like, because some of the characters were like mentally breaking, right? They started seeing shit. Yeah, I remember that horse, but I don't know what to make of it. And this spiral thing. I really think it has to be the Eternity Devil. What is that flashing? And this is like part 2 of that. This is like probably my favorite song. Just because this music is so... It's so unique, right? It's so different from what we've heard so far. What do you call this genre of music? Yeah, this is like, yeah, you're not dying today, right? We rather kill Denji. Yeah, this is it. This is it when he was attacking the Eternity Devil. And that's it, right? The bullet from the gun devil, right? Pam, 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 dun, 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 dun. And then you have that girl, was that Kenobi, was it? That wanted to kill Denji right here? Yeah, that's exactly it. He jumps down. Okay. And exactly after that is the... Yeah, that one. The bar scene, right? Ah, they're using like a game point of view. Oh, he's imagining Makima. Yeah. The traumatic scene. Oh my god. And that's the emphasis, right? They kept showing the vomiting there just to emphasize the trauma there. Okay. So this is like the next day, right? So I guess this is where... I think this is where Himeno is gonna be attacked, right? Or this is where the Blade Man is gonna appear. Yeah. And this is the episode where we see the mentor. What is this scene? Yep, these two. They start scouting them. I didn't get who were they fighting there. Just another misdirection, I guess. Dude, Himeno, so hot. Oh my god, is this the death? Are we getting the death here? Yes! Yes, paying her life so that Ghost can go 100%. Dude, she loved Aki that much. Yeah. She died, and Ghost got taken out by a snake that discharged like a fingernail. What a small price to pay. I don't quite get this one. Oh, okay. I see. That's when Makima is like popping people, right? But I don't think that's the same episode. That was like the next episode, right? Maybe it's just delayed, right? Okay. How does this tie to the episode? Yeah, I do not remember this Denji with like dogs. Oh, we got the snake there. So is he like just encountering all the devils he's seen so far? And then he's chasing Fujita? Violent. I would say ending 10 is visually the most I'm confused about, right? Maybe there's nothing there, or maybe there's something there I'm not seeing. Just leave it in the comments. We're getting late, so this must be already the invasion arc. Or yeah. Right? We know where Kenobi is. Oh no, not Kenobi. I forgot the name of the girl. The girl with the snake. Let me know how many people like Power. Like, is Power a fan favorite? Violence. So it looks like we're prepping here. Oh. Oh yeah. So that guy was one of the devils in the invasion. Okay. So this is the last one. Okay, we're getting like scenes from like the whole series or the whole season so far, right?
夢と勘違いしたくなる心模様いつだってだってからまる平でいつだってなんてかせばめいで大人になったって
Yep, yep. A simple life.
みたいな視界をバックとバナナ宇宙の正体が愛にのめり込んだみたいなマリーさえも寄りかかり合って生きてる人生いつをした衝動にめいて化けをまとったって役に立つ居場所があるなら夜はまだ
A hot shower.
僕にだってね未来にかけて祈るような線光に身を任せ時にらせんでいてちぎり上がった少年あの頃みたいな今日がもう来ないとしてただ声を出してけ
Yamato beer.
楽に行こうぜ常識なくしちゃうぜ聡明な瞳で世界は知る溢れるこの模様
I don't know, maybe are they discussing like their next plans for like the Gun Devil? Okay. So yeah, that was interesting. So yeah, we were able to complete the review for like for the opening and all the ending. So yeah, a lot of them were clips taken out from the episodes itself. Some more obvious than others, right? And yeah, this was a fun thing to do. I'm just sorry for like fans of the show that it took me this long to get this done, because normally I do it like the next week after finishing a season or a series. So yeah, my bad for that. But that's gonna be the reaction. If you guys like the content, like, comment, subscribe. If you want to support your boy even more, links to Patreon down in the description. Become a channel member and put some beso in the comments, guys, because you know your boy needs a little beso. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.